Hi everyone, this is Alex. I'm the product manager at Diamond Scientific. Today's video is a package unboxing of the Sewerin PortaFID M3K. This is a surface emission monitor used to analyze methane leaking out of the ground at landfills or other sites dealing with natural gas. This isn't an instructional video on how to use this instrument. I just want to show you what it comes with when you buy it. This is the analyzer itself. It uses flame ionization detector technology to survey your site for signs of hydrocarbons. I won't get into what that all means right now. That'll be a separate video. This is the probe for running along the ground. This flexible membrane makes a good enough seal to let the suction pump inside the analyzer bring gas into the sensor bay. This probe is used to find leaks in unstable or overgrown surfaces. It's also good for confined spaces like between parked cars where the carpet probe won't fit. This package comes with a wall charger, as well as a car charger. I won't go into how a flame ionization detector works, but it does need fuel gas to operate. This bottle comes with the package, but it'll be empty when you receive it. Contact us for more details on the gas concentrations used for the fuel. This instrument is designed to be used in a mobile walking setting. The carrying strap holds the analyzer and fuel gas bottle. The padding is thick and the big straps make this comfortable to use for an extended period of time. I'll make another video on how to put this thing on. This is the regulator that connects the fuel gas bottle to the analyzer. This is the connection tube. This is the case everything is delivered in. It's really sturdy and well made. That's everything included with the Sewerin PortaFID M3K. Please call us at 321-223-7500 if you have any questions about anything you just saw. I'll include my contact information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.